Hey there, my name is Dominic, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the sound system. So say you come into Mass and you're looking to just kind of get a general setup of the sound so that Mass can start and flow smoothly. So I'm just going to go ahead and run through some the basic procedure to go ahead and do that. So first thing you want to do is make your way over to the black box that is over by the band area. Let me show you what that looks like. So we're here by the music corner of the worship area. Make your way over to this black box that's right over there. You want to look inside and be very careful. You can either open the lid here or stick your hand inside, but you basically want to make sure that you turn on this switch right here, which will turn on the wireless system and all of the other things that are inside. Basically anything of the band where you plug in an instrument will power the DI box here, as well as the wireless transmitters or receivers and the amps for the monitors here, and the tower speakers here in the back. So once you turn that on, make your way back over to the sacristy where the soundboard is. So we're back in the sacristy. Next, you're going to want to make sure that you turn on the power to this entire cabinet here. It's this orange switch right here. Switch it on, the light will turn orange. Then you want to make your way over to the board, and this one's a little tricky. There's a button here on the back. Let's see if we can see it. It'll be right to the right of the power here, and press it. It'll be a push button. It'll turn on, and the board will boot up for you. Then you want to just do some preliminary checks. In this drawer right here to the right of the soundboard will usually be the cabinet key, where you can open this black cabinet, and right now we're just going to check the levels of the amp, basically making sure that the speakers are receiving power. So they're usually good, but I usually like to just check to make sure that they're okay. So take a look here in this cabinet, various components here. What you really want to focus on is this QSC amp right here, where it powers the speakers to all of the main speakers throughout the worship area. So they're labeled here. Sanctuary main and sanctuary middle are what you want to make sure. Anywhere between 11 o'clock and 12 is where you're going to want to be at. Multi-purpose room, if it's a Sunday liturgy, we currently are not using the multi-purpose room, so all the way to the left is off, all the way to the right is on, and you want to make sure that it is off on Sundays. And since we do occasionally get overflow with people, the outside speakers, you want to set it to about 1 o'clock for a Sunday liturgy. Once that is all set, you can go ahead and close the cabinet. Make your way over to the board, and depending on what Mass you are involved with, say I'm trying to set up for the 10:30 Mass. The cool thing about this board is that you can save presets, and once you upload your scene, everything that was set before, it automatically comes up. So you're not having to mess around with gain structure or anything like that. Everything is automatically set. Let's say that we want to set up for the 12:30 Mass. So you press scenes here, make sure it's lit up, press on 12:30 Mass here, it'll highlight it, and then recall. It'll ask you if you're sure you want to recall, and you say yes, and all of the settings will automatically change according to the Mass setting. So once you've done all that, that's pretty much it. Once the liturgy begins, all you really have to worry about is adjusting the volume levels and doing minor tweaks here and there. But if you follow this process, you'll be able to set up and get ready to go for Mass pretty easily. Well, thank you for your service. We'll see you again soon.